Here I will show how to use super user or root. So basically this is user. Alright, this is user. So if we want to do something system level administrative task, like I want to create a user. The user add Tom. This is the permission denied. This is the user. User means no privilege to use this command. What we have to do, we have to sudo -i. It is asking password. Now we are in the root. How to understand it is root? You see here is this is dollar sign. This is user dollar sign. When you see root, it is using hash sign. Okay. Clear. Exit. Now you see here dollar sign, and here is the hash. So this is root, and this is user. Clear. Sudo -i. This is for beginner. I want to use super user add Tom. I want to create a user. So user is created. Cat etc folder. Okay, press enter. You see here Tom is created. Okay, how to delete Tom? User del -r. I will remove the one folder on Tom. So Tom is deleted. How to, okay, this you can get this for beginner. Now I need to see even cat. It is here. See, Tom is not here, Tom is deleted. But nothing is here, only one users. Alright? This is how to use super user root. Root. How to understand root and user. This is dollar sign user, and it is hash. Also you will see left side root. Anyway, this you can change this name, this without root you cannot do anything. I don't know this is an installation. Let's see. I want to install apt install vim. It is could not permission denied. This same permission denied. Alright. Now sudo -i and the root apt install vim. Okay, it is already installed, and let's say apt vim. So do you want to continue? Yes. So vim is removed. Now apt install vim. So here it is root. Only root can do this task. Okay, vim is installed. Alright. Exit. Now apt remove vim. It will not work. It is the permission denied. It is saying permission denied. It cannot work. Anything you want to install, you need to be in the root. If you want to do some administrative task, you should be in the root. If you want to edit some system file, you should be in the root. Okay, if user do not have the permission, user need permission to do it. You can also privilege this user whether it can do some specific task. Then is it clear how to use sudo or root super user? Alright, that is basic of how to use sudo and normal user. Thank you.